Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to make this beautiful and super easy pattern. This pattern is made by a repeat of one row. I made that with this yarn, Alize shawl yarn, and 1.75 millimeters hook. You should make this pattern with thin yarns. If you're ready, let's get started. Start the work with a slip knot and then make chains in multiple of 5 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And continue this work and make groups of 5 chains to reach the desired width for the pattern, and at the end add 3 chains. I made 43 chains and now start first row. Skip 1, 2, 3 chain as first double crochet and make 1 double crochet into 4th chain from the hook here. 1 double crochet into next chain, 1 double crochet into the next, and make 1 double crochet into each of next stitches until the end of the row. Now row 1 is finished, and start row 2 with a chain and turn the work. Make 1 single crochet into first stitch and then pull this loop and yarn over and go to first stitch again here. Insert the hook, pull a long loop, one more time, yarn over, insert the hook into same stitch, pull a long loop, and repeat that 2 more times. Okay, now yarn over and pull through first 2 loops. Again, yarn over and pull through first 3 loops on the hook. Again, yarn over, pull through first 3 loops, yarn over, pull through first 3 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now make 1, 2, and 3 chain and insert the hook here. Make 1 single crochet into this space, then go to next space, make 1 single crochet into that, go to next space, make 1 single crochet, and again go to the next space here, make 1 single crochet here and 1 single crochet into last space. I made 5 single crochet. Now skip 1, 2, 3, 4 stitch of previous row and go to next stitch and make 1 single crochet and repeat this work. Pull this loop on the hook, yarn over, insert the hook into same stitch, yarn over, pull a long loop, and repeat that 3 more times. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through first 3 loops, yarn over, pull through first 3, yarn over, pull through first 3, and yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Make 3 chains and insert the hook into first space, make 1 single crochet into that, then go to next space here, make 1 single crochet, go to the next, 1 single crochet into that, go to the next space, 1 single crochet here, and 1 single crochet into last space. I made 5 single crochets. Skip 1, 2, 3, and 4 stitch of previous row, make 1 single crochet, and repeat this work to make other triangles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 3, and yarn over, pull through 2, make 3 chain, and make 1 single crochet here into first space, and then make 1 single crochet into each of next 4 spaces between these long loops. 1, 2, 3, and 1 single crochet into last space. And continue this work until the end. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4 stitch, make single crochet into next, and pull a long loop, and repeat this work 4 times. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 3, pull through 3, pull through 3, and pull through last 2 loops. Make 3 chain and make 1 single crochet into first space between these long loops here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And repeat this work until the end of the row. At the end, after last triangle, I have 5 stitches left. Skip 1, 2, 3, and 4, and make 1 single crochet into these skipped chains of beginning chains here. And row 1 is finished. Now for next row, row 2, make 3 chains and turn the work, and repeat this sequence into second chain from the hook. Here, insert the hook into second chain, make 1 single crochet, pull a long loop, yarn over, insert the hook into same chain, pull up a long loop, and repeat that 3 more times. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 3, and yarn over, pull through 2. Make 3 chains and make 5 single crochets between these long loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then go to the first triangle of previous row and make 1 single crochet into this chain 3 space before single crochets here. And again, repeat this sequence. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull through 2, pull through 3, pull through 3, pull through 3, and pull through 2. Make 3 chains and make 5 single crochet between these long loops. 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then go to next triangle of previous row and make 1 single crochet into this chain 3 space. And repeat that work until the end of the row. Row 3 is finished. Now I have 8 triangles in second row and 8 triangles in third row. And at the end, make 1 single crochet into last chain 3 space at top of last triangle. Make 3 chains, turn the work and repeat row 3. We have to make 1 triangle into second chain from the hook, and after that go to chain 3 at top of first triangle of previous row and make 1 single crochet here and next pattern, and repeat that until the end. We have to continue this work and repeat this row 3 several times until the height of the pattern reach the desired size. Okay, I repeated row 3 and now this is my pattern. You can see the front view and the back view of that. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.